This is a quick review of Big Lots LED animated decor haunted doll. I ran into this doll yesterday in the store. They, of course, already have their Halloween decorations out. And I had to snag her up. She was only 20 bucks. I can tell you a doll like this would easily run probably about $50 at Spirit of Halloween, which is a well-known, Halloween store. But this doll with the horse stands probably about 14 inches, I'd say. And when you press the hand, she starts to rock. So of course this is battery operated, but and it's motion detected. One of the things you'll notice is the volume. The voice box is very loud, which is awesome. The doll is wearing a pink corduroy type jumper with a little hoodie that doesn't come off. She has blonde rooted hair and hollow eyes that light up when she's rocking back and forth. Good little close-up of her face. She's riding up, it's a plastic rocking horse. And black and white striped socks. She has a dingy look to her. If you look very closely, it looks like the doll's been laying in the attic or she was left somewhere in the dirt. So I really like her, and for the price, I mean, that's a steal, $20 for something like this. And if I read it says Haunted Halloween for indoor use only. It's sound activated. To be honest with you, my plans are to put her on our covered porch. I know it says inside use only, but my thoughts are I'm going to do like this haunted doll vignette out on the front porch so that the people in the neighborhood can actually see her. I love animated toys. I love animated Halloween toys. And they're not something that I want to keep to myself. I definitely want other people to kind of enjoy the fun of it all. There are about 2 different other animated toys. There's one that's standing that's about, I think she was $35, and I want to go back and get her. There's also a doll on a tricycle, but I couldn't really see how it worked because there was an issue with the animation part of it. So I'm pretty sure if I just went ahead and put the batteries in, it worked properly. But I like this. I thought it was cute. Classic kid on a rocker. And it's just really fun and a lot of possibilities with this doll.